Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make macaroni salad chicken. First, cook 8 ounces of elbow macaroni according to package directions until it's perfectly al dente. After draining, rinse the pasta thoroughly with cold water to stop the cooking process and prevent sticking. Next, dice 2 cups of cooked chicken, breast into small, bite-sized pieces. This ensures every forkful has a great mix of flavors and textures. Set these aside in a large mixing bowl. Now, let's create that delicious, creamy dressing. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard until smooth. Then, add 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper to enhance the flavors. Finally, stir in 1/4 cup of finely chopped celery and 1/4 cup of finely chopped red onion for a delightful crunch and aromatic depth. It's time to bring everything together. Pour your creamy dressing over the cooked macaroni and diced chicken in the large mixing bowl. Gently fold all the ingredients until everything is evenly coated. Next, stir in 1/4 cup of fresh, chopped parsley for a vibrant color and a hint of herbaceous freshness. Once combined, cover the bowl tightly and refrigerate the macaroni salad for at least 2 hours. This chilling time is crucial for the flavors to fully meld and develop. When you're ready to serve, give your macaroni salad a final stir. You can garnish it with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or a dash of paprika for an extra pop of color. This delicious macaroni salad chicken is perfect served chilled as a refreshing side dish, or even as a light main course for your next picnic or family gathering. It's a crowd pleaser that's easy to make and always a hit. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.